Welcome to Crafty Workshop Builds. Today I'm going to be installing USB charging ports in my MK6 GTI, so stay tuned. Here's the old plug-in charger that I'll be replacing, and this is what the new charging ports look like. I'm going to remove the shifter boot, then remove the console cover. Now I'm going to remove the two blank caps, then install the two charging ports. This new electrical port connectors are like a pass-through design. I will connect the original cigarette lighter connector to one end, then connect the other end to the cigarette lighter. The USB-A port is fast charging, and the USB-C port is super fast charging. And that's going to be it for this upgrade. I will have the link for the charging ports in the description below, so feel free to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below as well. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.